Texas donut shop is flooded with customers after the owner's son tweeted his dad was sad no one turned up for the grand opening. A Texas community turned out to support a local donut business after the owner's son tweeted about how sad his dad was with the low turnout for the store's grand opening. Saturday afternoon, Billy By tweeted photos of his dad's empty donut shop, Billy's Donuts, writing, "My dad is sad cause no one is coming to his new donut shop," and insert crying face emoji. The tweet quickly went viral, and has since been retweeted more than 264,000 times and liked more than 564,000 times. More than 58,000 people also started following the donut shop's Instagram page. Many Twitter users vowed to stop by Billy's Donuts soon, including YouTube celebrity Casey Neistat, who shared the post and said he was on his way. Actor James Woods shared the post as well and told his more than 2 million followers, "Come on, everybody. Let's do this." Footage KPRC took on Sunday showed a long line at the business, and By's father happily ringing up orders. Later that day, By posted a new photo of him and his father grinning from behind the counter, with very few pastries in the display case. "Just wanted to update y'all. We completely sold out of donuts and kolaches. You are all amazing. I can't thank everyone enough for coming out and supporting local businesses. This means too much to my family," By wrote.